What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to I Told You So Me. Today I'm gonna be talking about the price of Omi and Bitcoin. First of all, I haven't changed anything. This is all the same. As we said in the previous videos, we said there was either gonna be an A, B, C, and then we go back up from here, or we're gonna have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like uh, is it Elliott wave? Let me check the actual name of it. The Elliott impulse wave. So it's a 1 to 5 Elliott wave. There's a 1 to 7 Elliott waves. There's a lot of them. There's like I think 1 to 24 or something like that in the 20s. You got like little ones that go, like that. There's probably more. It's probably like 1 to 50. I don't know. But anyway, this is the 1 to 5. This is the most simple, the most visible to us, right? So as we can see, from the top we had a 1, 2, 3, rolls back up to 4, and then the last push down is 5. And after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will have a push up normally. So in this case, we had the 1 to 5 Elliott wave, and then what we done is we tried to break the 0.382. So that is exactly what we done. We obviously touched it, came back down, and then we tried to go back up. We got rejected again, but we finally got back up, and then now we're actually above the 382. And as we can see here, there was a we tried to go below it, it got rejected, and now we're up above the 382. So that's a good bullish sign. I like to close above these Fibonacci retracement levels, which is a very good sign. So if we, oh, why does it do this? One sec, guys. Okay, so if we look, oh, we've actually broke out of this downward channel, right? So the price was ranging downwards. That's why I didn't make a video, because all we were doing is touching the bottom of it, top of it, bottom of, this downward channel here. So we're just going up, down, up, down. It was just ranging. But what we have is a close and a touch above this upper boundary um, of the channel, right? Of the downward channel, and that's a good sign. Normally, what happens is we break out of it, we touch it, and if we get to, if we close above this this upper boundary, then that's a good sign. And that's exactly what we've done. We touched it here. We actually touched it twice, I think. Well, I guess you could call that a touch. So we touched it, and then we touched it again, or we actually touched it here, right? And we closed above it. Obviously, this is it's a very small time frame. This is only a couple days, so we can't have a concrete, right? A concrete, uh, I guess, conclusion from this. But as we can see here as well, we have somewhat of a W pattern. So normally what happens is we have like that, like that, and it's like that. So that's exactly the kind of pattern we're doing. It's like this is a head and shoulders, right? It's like an inverse head and shoulders. So you have the I guess it's like somewhat like that. It's like that. Um, and as you can see, we have like this, this, and then that. So it's somewhat similar to that, right? Let me just take this off. So yeah, we have I guess you can see it, as a inverse head and shoulders if you want. You got 1, 2, so you got the shoulder here, the head here, and the shoulder here. So it's kind of an inverse head and shoulders with this bit here. This is like a bullish flag. So normally a bullish flag, what it would look like is you have a price action doing whatever it does. You have a push up, and then the price consolidates, at the top region of this um, of this push. If it was the other way around, so let me see. So like over here, this is a very short time frame. Or this one. Let's look at this one. So we have a push down, and it consolidates below, or on the bottom bit of this push, and it's consolidating, and then it just goes more down, right? So when things consolidate at a certain level, we see where the market wants to go. So even here, we push up, consolidates on the top of this push, and then we just go up. So same thing here, we have a W pattern or inverse head and shoulders here, and then we have a push, consolidation on the top of it, and it's above. Let me just take these off again. So it's above the 382, right? So above the 382, we're consolidating above the 382, we're consolidating on top of this push up, and we've broke out of the upper boundary or boundary boundary of this downward channel trend. So all good signs. And also Bitcoin, I haven't touched this as well, but Bitcoin is also, if we zoom in, it's finally closed a candle with the highest value, right? So it's the highest candle close basically in like 2.5 weeks, which is bullish. But it's not. That's also not concrete, I guess, evidence, or we can't conclude with. We can't have a concrete conclusion of whether it's going to go up or down, because as we can see here on this one, this candle, we had the highest close, but then it just dropped, right? And it was a very quick drop. So, just because something happens doesn't necessarily mean that something else is going to happen. It just gives us a sign that it could be bullish. And if Bitcoin starts to go down, Omi will start to go down. I do not think Omi is bear proof. I just think it's like any other coin. Of course, I am 100% believe in Omi. I believe it has a good potential. We are in early. We are in before the token has utility, which is just crazy, right? If you're in a project before something has a use case, especially a crypto has a use case, yeah, you're early and you're visionary. I wouldn't say as visionary as some people like David Yu and Dan or Elon Musk, but you're somewhat visionary, right? Because you wouldn't be investing in something without a use case if you weren't uh, somewhat visionary. But anyway, so yeah, closed above here, very good sign, and Bitcoin's also showing signs of progression or bullishness, I guess, if you will. But yeah, this is looking all good. We also have 6 days left if we look at the date here. So 7 days left actually. So a week left until New Year's. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday. I hope I have a wonderful holiday. uh, and just want to also say, what was I gonna say? Yeah, we also have things coming up for Omi. So we have phase 3. So phase 2 happened a couple days ago, and we were all happy for that. Or I think last week or something like that. phase 2 happen, complete, we're all happy because phase 2 means, all of our NFTs are real NFTs. Do you know what I mean? So people that are saying, "Oh, VV NFTs, they're not real NFTs, right? They're not one out of ones, or you can't view them on a blockchain." Just wait. Just wait. Now you'll be able to see it. So yeah, it's all working out very, very well. I'm very happy that VV and Immutable X have sorted it all out, and it's looking good so far. Phase 2 complete. Phase 3. So for phase 3, they said after the holidays. So in January we should be getting phase 3. Ah, that's gonna be crazy. As soon as we get phase 3 complete, all of the tokens will be migrated to the ERC20 token, or not migrated, will be changed to from the GoChain blockchain to the Ethereum blockchain. So I guess you can say it's migrated. I don't know, but yeah, all of those tokens will be ERC20 tokens, which will allow us to be listed on certain exchanges like Coinbase, like Binance, and just the other day, Coinbase released an article um, about Omi, about how to buy Omi. It's not even listed on Coinbase, so why are they why are they telling us how to buy Omi if it's not like yeah, these things they happen for a reason, and I believe Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, uh, they will come. They will come with it probably in late January to early, or just in February. Whew. So yeah, when they get listed, obviously there's been analysis done by people that show that when a token is listed on these exchanges, so when a token is listed on Coinbase, there's there's like a 30 or 40 or 50% increase within the first week or something. Or when it's listed on Binance, there's a Binance effect, and that increases the token price by like 50% or something like that. But it can drop down if some things don't happen. I don't know, something like that. So Akomi, I think they are watching out for that. Oh my god, it's dropping quite a lot. Wow. Let's see. We're crashing. We're crashing. No. Yeah. So nice big sell order. I like it. Yeah. So that's all I wanted to say. It's looking bullish, even though the 1 minute chart is not looking bullish. But on a grand scheme of things, we're looking. It's a nice structure. I don't like this bit, but it is the 1 2 3 4 5 Elliott wave, and yeah, it looks nasty, but it is supposed to be nasty, and it's supposed to scare people, just like this, right? Just like that. It scares people. It consolidates so low, and then everyone just, they're just either bored, they're just either sick of it, they can't take it anymore, they think it's gonna go lower, and then boom, what you get? A very, very rapid reversal, and that's always the way. Look, always the way the market works. Oh my god, what is this? It's probably from my other video. But yeah, it's just, look, you got a rapid decrease and then boom, just a quick increase, man. It's just the way the market works. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video, and I hope you have faith. Keep the faith, guys. Keep believing, and we will soon be able to reap the benefits of this. So, thanks, guys. Peace.